AI RoastBot has just been released, and today I'm breaking down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're looking to streamline your work or spice up your digital marketing strategy, this software might be your new secret weapon. Stick around because I'll also share how you can try this AI completely free, so keep watching until the end to make sure you don't miss out on that opportunity. First off, AI RoastBot isn't your average tool. It's designed to generate content and responses with a unique twist, offering personalized, humorous tones to engage users in ways most AI tools simply don't. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media captions, or engaging with customers, AI RoastBot makes sure your content stands out. Now, let's dive into the features. The first thing that stands out is its powerful content generation capabilities. This AI can produce long-form content, responses, or even creative pieces with just a few prompts. You won't find yourself needing to tweak the output much. It's pretty much ready to go, saving you a ton of time. But what really sets it apart is the tone and personality. It adapts its style based on your input, and that's a huge game changer for anyone wanting to bring more personality into their writing. Another major advantage is AI RoastBot's ability to handle multiple topics. Unlike other tools that struggle to switch from one subject to another, this AI can seamlessly switch gears. You can ask it to write about technology 1 minute and then jump to a completely different niche, like lifestyle or even finance, without losing quality or context. This is perfect if you run multiple projects or have a diverse client base. Speaking of clients, AI RoastBot also shines in customer interaction. It can generate realistic, witty responses that feel like they're coming from a real person, not a robotic assistant. It's great for businesses looking to keep their audience engaged, whether on social media or through email. Now let's talk about the interface. If you're used to clunky AI tools, you'll appreciate how intuitive RoastBot is. It's straightforward to navigate, making it easy for anyone, regardless of technical skill, to start generating content immediately. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, you won't find yourself wasting time figuring out how to use the software. One of the biggest selling points is its integration capabilities. AI RoastBot can be easily connected with other platforms like your CRM, email marketing software, or even your social media accounts. This makes it a versatile tool for automating processes while keeping things consistent across your campaigns. But of course, no AI tool is without its challenges. While AI RoastBot is incredibly efficient, it's not perfect. It can sometimes generate content that feels too generic if the prompts aren't specific enough. So, while it's excellent for generating quick drafts or ideas, you'll still need to fine-tune it for more nuanced content. Finally, the pricing. Right now, AI RoastBot is offering a free trial through the link below, so you can test it out and see if it fits your needs without any commitment. And if you decide it's not for you, no worries. It's super easy to cancel with no hidden fees. To wrap things up, after testing thousands of AI software tools, I can confidently say that AI RoastBot stands out in its category. It's got the personality, the versatility, and the integration options that make it worth checking out. If you're ready to get started, hit that first link in the description to try AI RoastBot for free and see if it's the right fit for you. And don't forget, I've linked some of my top recommended AI tools in the description below, all of which you can try for free as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.